Welcome back to another episode of Fat Guy Fixer Upper. I'm here out in the woods, watching out for raccoons and other crazy things that could come eat me. But anyways, on today's episode, this is part 5 of the continuation of the camera install series. For some reason, maybe the raccoons won't eat me, but this cat will. So stay tuned. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. Cat, I'm going to just start Oh man. Ugh. Still hit a spider web. How? Where? They were invisible. Shut up, cat. I see something over there. I have a bag. And in this bag is a selfie stick. Is a camera. A 250-foot cable. All right, so on today's episode, as you know, I'm not over there right now working on those 2 cameras. You see, last night when I came home from work, I decided to check the camera system out. Those cameras are off again. So I thought, maybe they're not getting power. So I power from the PoE switch. So I unplugged the other cameras to see if we'll get power. Still not getting power. So I kept thinking. I'm thinking what's going on is this, for some reason, I need another PoE extender just to extend the power out there, because it seems like when night comes, the night vision kicks on and kills the cameras because it just doesn't have enough power. And then in the morning, it comes back on, works just fine when it doesn't need night vision. So it looks like it's a power issue from being too far away. So I ordered a part from Amazon. It's supposed to be here tomorrow. So for today, I'm just going to hook up this cable, plug this camera in, just to make sure it works. And I have a very short time because there's supposed to be a big rainstorm coming here in about 15-20 minutes. So let's see if I can get this done and that this cat doesn't destroy the equipment. So stay tuned. First things first, use the stick to kill the spider webs. Goodbye, spider webs. Maybe I should just tear down the branch. There we go. One less branch to worry about. Yeah, I see you. Well, I don't see no spider nest in there. That's a good sign so far. All right. Let's reach up in here. Please don't be bugs in there to bite me. Yeah, cat, I see you. Is that the switch? All right, I'll be the switch. There's the switch. If anybody wants to adopt this cat, please call. Never mind. Oh boy. Here, cat, run this cable for me. I wonder which side I should go with. All right, this side will go to the box. Furball, go over here. Hey, come on, I'm trying to work here. Please take this cat from me. Go away, cat. Go away. That was way more difficult than it needed to be. Bad cat, go away. I don't care. Go get eaten by a bear or something. Yeah, I see you, cat. All right, we have light. We should say something's starting up. It's blinking. It's communicating. Always a good sign.
Camera is starting up.
The cameras are staring at the cameras. Well, it was. Oh, starting to rain. Will I make it in time?
Camera is starting up.
That's not a good sign. All right, guys. Well, this camera here just said camera is starting up again, indicating it's probably not getting enough power, or else the camera's broken. I don't think it's broken. At least I hope it's not broken. That would really suck. But it's a good indication it's not getting the power. So, and this, it's not even that far from the power box. So maybe it's just not getting enough power from the house to here first. So I might have to get an extra part. Won't know until the part shows up when I can mess around and try to figure this out. But thanks for watching this episode. You know, it was short, but unfortunately that's all I had time for. So I'll see you guys in the next episode.